A lot of people do not buy fresh crabs because of how difficult it is to wash. But if you are that person, then this video is for you. Hello, sweet fingers lovers. Welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to wash your crab. So let's get started. So this is how your crab looks like. We have different types of crab. So let's kill it and remove the shell. So we're just going to pick your crab up, and I will always suggest you be careful because crab stings. They are going to sting. So we're just going to open that side up, and then the strength is in. Can you see the way it pinches me? So if you hold your crab like that, it's going to stink you. So this is how you hold your crab. We're just going to remove that and then use our knife to just raise the shell up a bit. Can you see? The moment you remove the shell, you've just killed it. Then I'm just going to remove its membrane. Cut that side off. And then cut the ants, those little parts. It's not eatable. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. While doing this, you just have to be careful because crabs are very fragile. If you're not careful with it, you end up breaking it. Can you see how it looks like? So we're going to do the other one. So I'm going to repeat the same thing so you can fully understand. So this is all done. We're just going to set aside, and I'm going to do one last one. You just lift it up and then remove the shell. Remove its membrane and cut the fingers. And after that, all you have to do is just to rinse it and cook. So let me know in the comments which soup is your favorite crab. Like, which soup do you like to cook with crab? For me, I love it in my okra, my banga soup, and the rest. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this video. Are you going to recreate this? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. And by the way, I cooked my crab inside like an okra, and the video would be up next on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much, and bye.